Complete the following steps to properly update to the latest tree product. Make a backup copy of your entire existing directory to ensure that your data is not lost if something goes wrong. Use the link provided in the update email to go to the product download page. Then click Download Now. Locate the downloaded zip folder and extract all the files to any local drive on your computer. To avoid errors, do not use the workbooks if the directory is on a cloud drive. Open the new extracted directory and select the following two items: the AA template subfolder and the latest TreeXcel workbook. With both items selected, right-click and select Copy. Now open your previously existing tree directory, right-click inside it, and then click Paste to move those two items into it. If prompted, replace any existing files with those names. In your previously existing directory, open the latest tree workbook that was copied over. If prompted, be sure to enable content and macros. If macros were not blocked by Excel, then just check that the autosave feature is not enabled. If you get a security warning that macros have been blocked, then do the following. Close the file without saving. Right-click on the TreeXcel file and select Properties. At the bottom of the General tab, check the Unblock option. Then click Apply. Then click OK. Now reopen the TreeXcel file, and now the macros should be unblocked. Check that the autosave feature is not enabled. Click on the Import Tree option at the top of the tree worksheet. Read the prompt, then click Yes to load the form with the available trees to import. Double-click on the existing tree file whose data you want to import. The import process may take some time for larger trees. Please be patient and you will be alerted when the import is complete. When finished, all of your data and settings will have moved into the new workbook. You are now ready to begin using the latest tree workbook. The latest Excel file should remain in your existing directory as it is. The new extracted directory should remain as backup or if you wish to start a new tree. A complete interactive help guide for using the latest tree and all of its features is available on the Family TreeXcel website. Please feel free to email me if you have any problems or questions.